Alright, let's get straight down to it. Here is the formula for succeeding with your own e-commerce business online. And I have listed here 8 major steps. Okay, and of course you will find that there are a lot of other tiny steps in between, but these are the 8 major steps you're going to want to focus on. Step 1, find a niche. Step 2, search for products that you can white label. Step 3, create a brand. Step 4, list your products on Amazon or set up your own e-commerce site using Shopify. Now, I do recommend that you set up your own e-commerce site using Shopify. But if you're new to online marketing and you just want to get your feet wet, then you can go ahead and just sell on Amazon at first, just so you can learn the ropes of the game and just so you can get some experience selling online. Okay. Step 5 is generate traffic. Step 6, provide excellent customer service. And this should go without saying. If you provide great customer service, you're going to get repeat customers and you're also going to get referrals to your business. So go beyond their expectations, deliver products on time, and also ask for customer reviews so that other potential customers will see that you have a high quality product and that you're a great company to deal with. Step 7, automate the best you can. Now, I say here automate your order processing when it takes more than 2 to 3 hours each day, but you should try to automate as many other tasks as you can, because there's going to come a point in your business where you do not have the time to grow your business. You're going to be so busy with the day-to-day tasks in your business. There's only so much time in a day. So you're going to want to invest in tools to automate tasks. Okay, you could also hire help and even hire a virtual assistant overseas that you can pay $2 an hour. And I actually recommend you hire someone as soon as you can afford it, just so that you could get into the habit of outsourcing your tasks. Okay, and step 8 is to create your own e-commerce store using Shopify if you haven't already. So if you've already done that here in step 4, you can skip the last step here, step 8. Okay, now if you start off on Amazon, there's gonna be a point in your business where it's just time to move on. Okay, and the reason for that is Amazon owns your web property, and potential changes in the way they run things pose a threat to your business. Okay, you have no control over your business. And also, the big benefit is that once you have your own e-commerce store or website, you can start building an email list and continually sell to your customers or even just the visitors that come to your site. Another big benefit is that if you decide to sell your business one day, it'll have a higher value if it's an independent branded store rather than just being on Amazon. Okay, so now that I've listed off the 8 major steps here, I'm going to explain some of them in more detail in the following videos. There are some steps here that I will not go into in some of these videos, or I just didn't make a video on some of these steps just because they're common sense. For example, providing customer service. Also, step 4 here, where I tell you to list your products on Amazon or set up your own e-commerce site. I did not make a video on that step just because that's more technical, and this video course was not designed to be a technical course on how to set things up on Amazon or how to set up your own website. Okay, so with that said, I look forward to seeing you in the following videos.